What makes you happy? Is it a warm cup of coffee in the morning, or perhaps the laughter of a loved one? Since time immemorial, we humans have been on a tireless pursuit of happiness. It's a feeling that's hard to define, yet we know it when we feel it. It's in moments of pleasure, in feelings of hope, in the spark of inspiration. Happiness is not just about feeling good. It's about our overall well-being, our productivity, our connection with others. But did you know that there's a lot more to happiness than just feeling good? Today we look at 10 fascinating facts about happiness that science has discovered. Firstly, did you know that happiness can give your immune system a boost? It's true. When we're happy, our bodies are better equipped to fight disease, arthritis, high blood pressure, and other pesky aches and pains. So next time you're feeling under the weather, try watching a comedy or spending time with loved ones to lift your spirits and possibly your immune system too. Now on to our second fact. Happiness is in your genes. Research suggests that a certain degree of our happiness is inherited. So if your parents are generally cheerful, there's a good chance you'll be the same. Our third fact is a colorful one. Happier people tend to gravitate towards brighter colors. So if you need a quick pick-me-up, why not add a splash of color to your outfit? Moving on to fact number 4. The smell of flowers can make us happier. That's right. Next time you pass by a florist or a garden, take a moment to stop and smell the roses or the lilies or the tulips. Fact number 5 reveals that relationships bring more happiness than money. It might sound cliché, but the key to happiness isn't a fat bank account, but meaningful relationships. Now on to fact 6. People on hourly wages are generally happier than those on a salary. It seems that the flexibility and control over work hours contribute to this happiness. In fact, happiness can lead to better career success. Fact 7. Happier people handle stress better. Their brains release lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol, making them more resilient in stressful situations. Our 8th fact shows that being outdoors, especially near water, makes us happier. So, if you're feeling down, a walk in the park or a day at the beach might be just what you need. 9th on our list is the fact that doing good for others makes you happier too. Volunteering or helping a friend not only benefits them, but also boosts your own happiness. And lastly, fact 10. Happiness is contagious. When you're happy, you spread that happiness to others around you. So, by being happy, you're doing a good deed for those around you. And there you have it, 10 surprising facts about happiness. Who knew that such simple things could contribute to our happiness? But bear in mind, recognizing the advantages of happiness is merely an initial stride. The real test is in weaving these aspects into our daily routines. Emotions can be complex, and research suggests there are many factors that affect our happiness, including personality types, social class, attachments, self-efficacy, personal situations of time and place. But here's a bonus fact. Research in neuroplasticity of the brain indicates that happiness is a skill that can be learned. So, why not try some new ways to feel happy? Is there a certain practice you follow to cultivate your happiness? Share your happiness rituals in the comments below and help spread some joy. Visit inspiredprofessional.net for more helpful tips on stress relief and well-being.